Today I thought I'd share a little bit of information about pressure cookers. The appliance that we know today as a pressure cooker was invented by a French physicist and mathematician, Denis Papin, in 1679. Originally called a steam digester or bone digester, it was a device used to render fat from bones and to also soften the bones so that they could be ground up to make meal. The device consisted of a metal pot with a tight-fitting lid, along with a steam release valve. Bones, along with water, were placed inside and then heated. The steam generated by the water inside the vessel would also cause an increase in pressure, which would allow the temperature inside to rise above 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressure cookers would come to the U.S. in 1938 when Alfred Vischer introduced his version called the Flex Seal Speed Cooker in New York City. It was the first pressure cooker in the U.S. intended for home use. Pressure cookers fall into three general categories or generations. The first generation, also known as old type, have a weight-modified valve which releases the pressure and steam as it operates. Older versions of these models only operated at one pressure setting. Second generation pressure cookers have a spring-loaded valve that allows them to operate at multiple pressure settings. These cookers may or may not release steam as they operate and use an indicator to show the pressure inside the cooker. Finally, third generation pressure cookers operate using electricity as opposed to first and second generation cookers that operated by being heated on the stovetop. Third generation cookers also use a spring-loaded valve like the second generation. However, they also include an integrated timer. So just a little bit of information in case you were curious about pressure cookers. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or food.okstate.edu.